Okay, taco lovers, check it out. This is the new and improved Toyota Tacoma vent mount by Tackform. Rock solid. It interfaces with the vent trim, not the blades themselves, so you still get some articulation of the vent for adjusting your airflow. Rock solid. There's a billet aluminum knob option. I went with red. This is the 2-inch single knob arm, and this is the perfect cradle. The 20 light. It's all metal construction made from billet aluminum. Lifetime warranty on all the parts. What's cool about it, it has these octagon-shaped ribbed grips, which is nice because when you insert your phone, the back of the phone does not touch the metal cradle. If this is sitting in direct sunlight, it can get real hot. You know, it obviously cools down with the car, but when you first get in and you want to throw your phone in, you don't have to worry about that heat being transferred to the device. It also has grooves on the side of these grips, so when you put your phone in, you can slide it up and down to position it however you'd like, and it does not interfere with the buttons. Super adjustable. You can really put it wherever you want, and with just a quarter turn of this knob, you can lock it out and it doesn't go anywhere. I love this thing. And my dog.